Hello, this is Tyler Beamer from Haywood Community College. This is an instructional math video to show students how to use Microsoft Excel's payment function as an aid in completing problems in Chapter 4, Section D homework on loan payments, credit cards, and mortgages. So, as you can see, I have the Chapter 4, Section D notes here that we're going to be working off of. This section is all on calculating payments for various loans that you may take out, looking at amortization tables, things of that nature. So what I want to do in this video is show you how to find monthly payments for a particular loan using Excel. Now in the notes I have the payment formula given and essentially how to work your way through this payment formula if you were doing this with the aid of a calculator. I want to go down to the second example here where we want to find the monthly payment for a student loan of $50,000 at a fixed APR of 6% for 20 years. So the work that you see here is how to do this using the payment formula, putting in the APR. N will be 12 since it's monthly payments. N or Y is 20 for 20 years, and then P is the principal, $50,000, how much you borrow. So you can see the work for calculating this by hand in the calculator, and we get a monthly payment of $358.22. Okay, so Excel will also do this much more quickly and efficiently. So if we open up Excel, double click in a cell, so I'm in A1. Start every function with equals, so equals, and then start typing in PMT, and we want to use the payment function. You can see that it comes up here. Double click on it. So Excel gives you the arguments that you need to provide. So the rate is going to be the APR, which in this problem was 0.06, divided by N, and N is going to be 12 since we're making monthly payments, comma, N per is the value of N, so 12, times the number of years, which in this case is 20, comma, the next argument is PV, which stands for present value. So the present value is the amount that I borrow, which in this case is $50,000. Okay. Don't put a comma in the 50,000. Excel uses commas to separate these argument fields, so you'll throw Excel off by doing that. Comma. The next field is future value. So we want the loan to be paid off, so the future value would be $0. Okay, and then we'll leave type blank. Basically the type is, are you making payments at the beginning of the month or the end of the month, and we'll use the default on Excel, which I'm pretty sure is the beginning of the month. Okay, in parentheses, enter. Notice we get the exact same number, $358.22. Okay, so if we go back to the notes, we see that answer matches. Okay, so if we pay $358.22 each month for 20 years, we'd have the loan paid off. Okay, and then of course the problem will probably ask you, how much you paid over the term of the loan. Well, that's your monthly payments times how many monthly payments you paid. So in this case, this person would have ended up paying $85,972.80. How much is that in terms of interest? That's this number, the total amount that you paid, minus the principal, how much you borrowed. Everything else is interest that you paid. So notice this person's paying a substantial amount of interest, $35,972.80. So 58% of what they paid went towards the principal, and then 41% of what they paid went towards interest. So the idea is that you want to reduce the amount of interest that you pay. And of course, reducing this percentage rate of APR will help you do that, but also reducing the life of the loan and paying the loan off quicker will also reduce the amount of interest that you pay. So please use Excel to help you with your homework problems in Section D. This payment function obviously makes computing these problems a lot easier. Alright, if you have any questions, as always, email or stop by the office. Have a great day.